What's going on, you guys? VG Gamers here. Welcome back to a vlog. I've been sick for a fucking week, but we're back in business as usual. We're getting back to normal. I did have a gaming video 2 up last night that I forgot to monetize, so I got to do that. One got age restricted because I showed my weenie hole in my video. I'm only kidding. That did not happen. I did not show my weenie hole in a video. It did not get age restricted, but for some reason they flagged my video. I got copyright notices on that bitch. Yeah, it's just a mess. I'm dealing with it. It's back up. We're rocking it. I told them that it was game music. What happened was I was playing Farming Simulator. And in Farming Simulator you can turn the tractor radio on. And that's what I did. I turned the radio on. I didn't realize that it was real songs. I thought... And that's what happened, so... Yeah. My bad. But anyway, anyhow. We're back in business. We're vlogging today. And I got that rock. Yeah. Feeling better. Finally got up and showered. I had the flu, guys. The flu. It's the worst, yo. It's the worst. Never get the flu. Never let you get. Jehovah's. Sweet, guys, sweet. Huh?
Is Phoenix supposed to be up here?
Yeah, we're getting a new refrigerator. They removed the copyright thing. I talked to them, gave them a complaint, and they removed it. And I got a lot of views.
Refrigerator broke, nigga. Give me a new one. I didn't pay for it.
We're getting a new one. I can tell you right now, Matthew, you're not sitting on my PS4 all day. What's that temp at, bro?
100.7.
Really?
Yeah.
Matthew's got a fever. Oh my god, guys. Look at how much money I've made on YouTube so far.
Whoa, 6 cents.
Close. Lower. 2 cents.
Whoa.
Hi, Phoenix. Say hi to the vlog. He's like, fuck off. Now. Yeah, I've only made 2 cents on the gaming channel. Not good. Fucking get me there, bitches. Get me up to motherfucking 50 bucks. I'll be happy to make 50 bucks, dog. Dead. I need a fucking drink. We're getting a new refrigerator today. Lowe's is here to put it in. My refrigerator yesterday, my dad woke up and there's water all over the kitchen floor. The fridge broke, but it's getting taken care of today. This is not promoting them, just showing you guys who's coming to do it. And, again, I don't think I'm doing much today, so this vlog might be short. Long. Not long, I don't know. But anyway, I just know that Matthew's only gonna play my...
Hello.
He's only gonna play my PS4 for 2 hours at a time, and then he's gonna get off. But anyway, I gotta shave.
Yeah.
Alec has to shave his dick.
It's Matthew.
drink.
What?
New refrigerator, guys.
White, if we're home, and it tells you white, like they've never done that before.
What?
Told us what color, they just tell us like one random day, and then I can't remember.
Tell us what?
Stop being mean. Or what side, you know how you can turn their uniforms inside out?
Yeah.
That is the mom got in scarlet children. There's accidents.
Yo, it smells like bacon. Yo, who's cooking? Oh, the refrigerator doesn't fit under there. So guys, what's happening? And my camera's gonna die. Fuck. So what's happening there is our refrigerator is doesn't fit under the cabinet because one side is higher up than the other. So what's happening now is they're fixing that.
We're going to the roof. Yeah.
And then we'll slide it down under, like sliding my dick right under your tongue, and
That might be age.
it would be age restricted. No, it won't. Not because I said that. And then lately I've been wearing a marker. I think for now on I'm going to start going to school with that marker on my ear.
You can't take the
Oh,
ice
mine's still,
today.
helicopter's still up here. No, she just shot myself.
Because remember you told us we have to run it 3 times?
Wait, Demar, where'd you go?
It doesn't freaking matter. Alright, have a good day. So that's the fridge. I'm going to charge my camera before it dies. Alright guys, I have a gaming video upload for the day. If you haven't already seen it, go check it out on my gaming channel. It's lit. It's awesome. It's fire. It got stuck in my ass. It was lit, guys. Let's go check out the refrigerator to see how it's doing. Yeah. You know what I mean, sister? Oh yeah. What's up? Anything about GTA? They're ending GTA. I don't know if you guys heard about that story. Dude. It's in. It's in, my children. It's in. It's in the walls. A little gap there. But yeah. New refrigerator. We need to get a new door because they're giving us a new door because it's dented right here. But other than that, actual tent. Why is it 37 degrees in there still? Being a pain in the ass. Yeah, it's getting there. It's pretty cold in there. And this still needs time. I don't know. Anyway. Orange play. See how long it takes before he notices me. Hi, Pooper. Oh dear. Hi, Stinky. That's my puppy. I'm tired. You stink. He doesn't even care that I'm here. He's just like, fuck off, bro. No, I'm not wearing lipstick. My lips are just chapped. I can fix that. So first thing to do, you turn the little thing on the bottom, take the rose. Fixed it. Then you can kiss your girlfriend. Ding-a-ling. Ding-a-ling. Okay, let's go outside. Hey Phoenix, you wanna come outside? Come on. Let's go outside. Whoa. I pressed zoom by accident. Started till I was you. Fly away, fly away. Till I tasted you.
Enter to back door.
Yo, it's nice out here, guys. Is that a fucking bee? Yo, it's not summer. Go back to fucking hell. Damn, it's... Guys, the sun, man. Hi, Emma. You like this weather, don't you? Do you have your collar on? Okay, good. You wanna go swimming? Should have went over the pool today. Let's go swimming, guys. Yo, if any of you are in New York, fucking come outside. Damn. What is this shit? Cardboard from probably when they delivered the refrigerator this morning. I started till I wanted to suck your dick. I'm working all day. I'm working all day, which means I'm vlogging today. And the vlog is going to be out. I don't even know what time I'm going to release it out to you guys. Probably around noon. Got away. Not around noon. It's already past noon, motherfucker. I'll probably try to get it out around 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, so today we're lit. Tomorrow we're lit. Monday we're in school. Tuesday we're in school. Thursday we're in school. Friday we're in school. Saturday. There probably won't be a vlog next weekend. Anyway, guys. Go the fuck away. Why is there a bee out today? Why is there a bee out today? In January? It's like 57 degrees outside today, guys. Right now. Right now. If my phone would work. I swear, this phone sucks, dude. Okay, right now. Right at this moment. Oh my, it's 52. 52. I love you. Anyway. I'm tired. I really don't want to sit home all weekend, but I guess I am. I haven't been out of the house since freaking Wednesday. I didn't go to school all week, so technically I haven't left the house since Monday when I went to the movies. Anyway, guys, I don't know if you guys heard, but Trump took office yesterday. Awesome. Our fine country is in good hands. I know it. Fucking Obama's gone. Fuck it all. He's gone. He's motherfucking gone for good. And, I love you guys. And don't forget to keep it rigid. Alright, I love you juggies to death. And don't forget to keep it rigid. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. Smile more. I'm only kidding. I ain't Roman Atwood. I wish I was. Believe me. Yo, dogs, what are you doing? What are you just staring up there for? There's nothing there. Well, you're not staring at anything. You're staring at 6 feet. You're staring at 2 paws under already. She's old. Yo, Phoenix. My dog's name is Phoenix. Phoenix, smile more. What the hell is that? A staple in my drawer? Are they trying to kill me? I'm suing Lowe's. That's it. When those bitches come back here to put the door on my fridge, I'm gonna pound them. Like hard. With a hammer. And what the hell? They're leaving crap in. Is that a... I thought that was a dead frog for a minute. I was about to say my balls itch. Whoa, my dad is not here. Or is it my mom who's not here? Okay. Okay, I see how it is. They leave and they don't tell me. Yo, somebody left a cigarette in my driveway. I don't smoke. No, sorry, I mean... No, I don't smoke. Hi, Matthew. Hi, Matthew. Matthew. Yeah. You didn't start. Look at the camera. Look. Hey. Alright. See ya. Dot away. Dot away. So guys, we're pretty much just having a chill day. I'm hoping this... I don't want to end the vlog here, but I think I'm going to. I definitely want to have this video uploaded by 4. So at 4 o'clock I want to be able to do stuff. 4 o'clock I like to sit down and watch my videos. My YouTube videos, because a lot of YouTubers, for some reason, most of the YouTubers I watch upload their videos around 4. Roman's video is probably almost uploaded already. So that will probably be released soon. His video usually goes up early, like at 1 o'clock, I think. I don't watch FouseyTube. I almost said Fousey uploads his video soon, but I don't watch him. I don't know. I think I'm subscribed to him. I subscribe to people and then I never go back to their channel. Roman Atwood, I've been subscribed for him for years, and I've only been watching his vlogs for the past month. I've been subscribed to his vlogging channel for years now, but I've only been watching it for 6 months, 6 weeks, not even a month. I've been subscribed to him for like a year, because somebody told me, oh, go subscribe to him. I watched one of his pranks. I subscribed to the vlog channel, and this prank channel never watched the vlog. But, Roman Atwood's good, man. I like him. I like him. His kids, his girlfriend, they're all pretty good. I look forward to his vlog every day. While I was sick for a week in bed, that's all I watched was Roman's vlogs, Lance Stewart, or should I say Clickbait Master, and who else did I watch? I didn't watch myself, that would be weird. Cody Yant sometimes. Most of the time. I do watch his vlogs every day, actually. I just started watching his vlogs every day for this week, actually. Want to go in, Phoenix? I'm going to end the vlog here. You want to cover the lines for me when I... Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, like, subscribe, favorite. Oh, and Kid Behind a Camera. Or Angry Grandpa, whoever uploads. If they both upload. I watch them. So here's the list of YouTube videos that I watch. Here's the YouTubers that I watch every night before I go to bed. Cody Yant, Lance Stewart, Kid Behind the Camera, and Roman Atwood every day. Every night before I go to bed. So I start them like 7 o'clock and I watch them until 10 when I go to bed. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, favorite. And Monday, I'm back to school. Been out all week, but back to school. See you guys in the next video.